FIT01 is LabThink's latest generation of electronic film impact tester. It has achieved automatic and electronic measurement of the impact property of films. The testing principle complies with ASTM D3420, GB880988, NFT 54116, and other standards. The computer-assisted horizontal adjustment system and the design of pneumatic pendulum release and sample clamping significantly improve the stability and accuracy of the test results. The testing range can be easily extended by changing the augmenting weight. The built-in high-resolution optical encoder measures the angular position of the pendulum at the instant when the hemispherical head passes through the specimen and converts this measurement to the impact resistance of the specimen. This greatly enhances the accuracy and repeatability of the test results and minimizes errors caused by human factors during the testing process. The testing software designed by LabThink has an intuitive operation interface, visual display of real-time data and graphs, and can function within a multi-user environment. The statistical function of the software can perform analysis of the maximum value, minimum value, average value, and standard deviation. FIT01, your excellent choice for high-accuracy film impact tester. LabThink. Think for you only.